In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. This kind of feedback is so important to us because it lets us know we're doing a great job for everyone, and that just motivates us even more to keep providing the best service we can for years to come. 5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Contact us today at the number on your screen.